Hello and welcome to my first session on practice questions for AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam. I prepared this exam's practice questions to kind of go through some of the things that I've been studying. The first question is probably the easiest of the three. In generative AI, there is a specific concept used to represent words, subwords, or characters that the model processes as discrete units of text. What is this concept called? A, vectors, B, embeddings, C, tokens, or D, context window? The answer is option C, which is tokens. The concept used in generative AI to represent words, subwords, or characters as discrete units of text that the model processes is called tokens. Tokens are the basic units of text that generative AI models process. Tokens allow the model to handle a wide range of text inputs, including rare words or complex structures. By using tokens instead of entire words, the model can work with a manageable vocabulary size and improved computational efficiency. Tokenization helps the model recognize patterns across related words or subwords, enhancing its capability to make accurate predictions. The other options, vectors, vectors are numerical representations of data like embeddings, but are not discrete units of text. Embeddings are continuous vector representations of tokens that capture semantic meanings, but are not themselves discrete units. So the key word being discrete units. And D, the context window, refers to the number of tokens that the model can process simultaneously. You should know all three of these other vectors, embeddings, and context windows for the test, for the exam, but also you need to know, obviously, what tokens are. The next question, a company makes forecasts each quarter to decide how to optimize operations to meet expected demand. The company uses ML models to make these forecasts. An AI practitioner is writing a report about the trained ML models to provide transparency and explainability to company stakeholders. What should the AI practitioner include in the report to meet the transparency and explainability requirements? A, code for model training. B, partial dependence plots. C, sample data for training. Or D, model convergence tables. If you're not familiar with these, they all sound like they could be possible. So the key thing is to know what the options are, and maybe so you can eliminate the other options. Okay, so that being said, B is the correct answer, partial dependence plots, because they were looking for explainability and transparency. So PDPs visualize how a single feature affects the model predictions. They can reveal nonlinear relationships showing a feature influence changes depending on its value. They improve transparency, making it easier for stakeholders to understand model behavior and trust its predictions. See, the third question, practice question is, the marketing department at a media company wants to leverage Amazon Bedrock. So Bedrock for making creative scripts for an upcoming ad campaign. So they want it to be creative. What influences creativity, temperature or top P? So A being a higher temperature for more creative responses, B being a lower temperature for more creative responses, C being top P for higher top P for more creative responses, or lower top P. The answer is A, higher temperature to get more creative responses for the same prompt on Amazon Bedrock. It's because higher temperature increases randomness in token selection, therefore getting more creativity. Higher temperature flattens the probability distribution, increasing the likelihood of selecting lower probability tokens. This introduces more randomness. A lower temperature has the opposite effect, making model favor high probability tokens, which is more predictable and deterministic. A higher top P expands the pool of considered tokens, so it's more diverse outputs, where a lower top P narrows the pool to most likely tokens, which reduces randomness and creativity. So you should know higher temperature, or you should know temperature and top P and how they influence things within Bedrock for the quiz. Thank you for listening to following along today. If you enjoyed this, please comment, and I hope to make more of these. Thank you.